Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will teach you a quick and easy way to convert any colored image into a black and white picture perfect for coloring. First, open the Leonardo AI image generation website in your Chrome browser. Then click on the image generation option here. You will be directed to a new window. Just give it the command prompt and click on generate. It will take about 5 to 10 seconds to make your image. Once the image is generated, you can click on the image of your choice out of the 4 variations. The image will open up with a download button at the bottom as shown. Now click on the download button to download the image. Open Adobe Photoshop and load the image you want to convert. To avoid editing the original image, make a copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl+J for Windows and Command+J for Mac. This will create a duplicate layer for us to work on. Before applying any effect, ensure your background colors are set to black and white. Look at the bottom of your toolbar. If the colors are not black and white, click the small icon with 2 overlapping squares to reset them. You can also switch between colors using X key. Now go to the Filters menu and select Filter Gallery. In the new window, click on Sketch. Then select Stamp. Adjust the light and dark, balance and smoothness sliders until you are happy with the results. Once done, click OK. Next, go to the image, now Adjustments, and then select Invert or press Ctrl+I for Windows or Command+I for Mac. This will invert the colors, creating a clean black and white image ready for coloring. To save our final image, go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG. Name your file, choose a save location and click Save. Head to the folder to view your beautifully converted black and white image. And there you have it, a super simple way to transform any colored image into a black and white coloring page using Adobe Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.